बाबा कहते हो यही बच्चे मेरे ताज तुम्ही, नैन के नूर लाडलो मेरी आवाज तुम्ही, मेरी दुनिया में तेरे दम से उजाला है, तुम्हारे साथ का अनुभव बड़ा निराला है।
शरीर मुझे पाठ बजाने के लिए मिला है तो ये पाठ बजा रहा हूँ। वास्तव में मैं आत्मा इस देह से न्यारी उस निराकारी दुनिया परम धाम निवासी हूँ। परम धाम निवासी आत्मा की क्वालिटी, परम धाम निवासी आत्मा की क्वालिटी वह बिल्कुल पवित्र आत्मा, शुद्ध आत्मा, उसमें कोई भी प्रकार का की अशुद्धि नहीं रहती है। और मैं सर्वशक्तिवान परम पवित्र परमात्मा पिता की संतान, मैं आत्मा भी ऐसी ही परम पवित्र हूँ। तब तो बाप के साथ साथ परम धाम में निवास करती हूँ। इतना ऊंच विचार अपने को इतनी ऊंचाई में हम ले जाते हैं, जितना हमारा ये विचार पावरफुल रहेगा, निरंतर बना रहेगा, जितना हम इस स्मृति स्वरूप में रहेंगे तो बीच बीच में हमें ऐसा आभास होगा जैसे देह में होते भी देह का भान नहीं है। देह में है पर जैसे कि हमें उसका स्पर्श नहीं है, उसके स्पर्शता से अपने को परे अनुभव करेंगे। लेकिन तब जब ऐसी स्मृति हमें बनी रहेंगी, ऐसा सिमरन हमारा बार बार अंदर में चलता रहेगा, यह अंतर्मुख रहने से तीसरी बात अंतर्मुखता, एकाग्रता, स्थिरता और अंतर्मुखता। जितना जितना हम अंतर्मुखी रहेंगे, क्योंकि जब हमें अभी और कोई भी कार्य नहीं है जिसके लिए हमें बातचीत करने की आवश्यकता पड़े, जितना हम मौन में रहेंगे, मौन केवल बाहर का नहीं, चलो कोई जरूरी काम पड़ा, हमने धीरे से मुख से काम भी ले लिया, लेकिन अंदर में वह न्यारेपन की स्मृति, जैसे अभी आज आपको अभ्यास कराया गया है फरिश्तापन की स्टेज का, ऐसे किया है ना। तो फरिश्तापन के स्टेज में जो जो बातें आपको बताई गई है, चलते फिरते उठते बैठते हम अपने में उसका अभ्यास चालू रखें, देखें हमें उससे क्या क्या फील होता है, महसूस क्या होता है।
निराली शान है, दिल तख्त पर हमें रख लिया, खुद से ऊंचा मान देकर नाम दिल पर लिख लिया। ताज तख्त और तिलक की हमको अमर जागीर दी, ताज तख्त और तिलक की हमको अमर जागीर दी, जिंदगी जीने की हमको एक नई तदबीर दी आपने बाबा हमें।
Om Shanti. Have love for solitude and imbibe
शांति।
unity and concentration.
एकांत प्रिय बनो,
Reveal the
एकता
form
और
of
एकाग्रता
power
को
of your
अपनाओ।
gathering.
संगठन
Bap
की
Dada
शक्ति का
wants every
स्वरूप
child
प्रत्यक्ष करो।
to be seated
तो बाप
on the
दादा
seat
चाहते हैं कि
of
हर
a
बच्चा
stable
एक
and
रस
elevated state,
श्रेष्ठ स्थिति के
to be in
आसनधारी,
solitude, to be
एकांतवासी,
bodiless,
अशरीरी,
to be one who establishes
एकता
unity,
स्थापक,
to belong to the one, and to
एक
be an
नामी,
incarnation of
एकानमी का
equality.
अवतार बने।
Understand each other's
एक
ideas
दो के
and
विचारों
give
को
them
समझ
regard
सम्मान दे।
while signaling one another.
एक दो को
Have an exchange
इशारा दे।
amongst you
लेन
and
देन
reveal
कर
the form
आपस में
of power of your
संगठन की
gathering,
शक्ति का स्वरूप प्रत्यक्ष
because
करें,
the power of unity in
क्योंकि
your gathering
आपके संगठन
will
की
be instrumental
एकता की
in
शक्ति
bringing the whole Brahmin
सारे
family
ब्राह्मण
together
परिवार
in
को
a gathering.
संगठन में लाने के
Om Shanti.
निमित्त बनेगी। ओम शांति।
ओम शांति। वेलकम
ओम शांति। स्वागत है आप सभी का अव्यक्ति परिवार में। आज है दिन 13। एकांत प्रिय बनो, एकता और एकाग्रता को अपनाओ। तो आज का जो विषय है, शक्ति का स्वरूप प्रत्यक्ष करें, संगठन की शक्ति का। अभी हम दीदी से सुनेंगे।
Om Shanti, everyone.
शांति सभी को।
Everyone is okay,
सब लोग ठीक
happy.
है, खुश हैं,
Yeah, always together.
एक साथ है, संगठन में है।
Baba is saying
तो
power
बाबा
of
कह रहे
gathering.
हैं संगठन की
Our
शक्ति।
gathering should be revealed now.
तो हमारी
in the world.
संगठन की शक्ति पूरी दुनिया के सामने
Baba is
अभी
telling us
प्रत्यक्ष होनी चाहिए, और बाबा हमें उसका
there is a
उपाय दे रहे
saying
हैं।
that
तो
in the name
एक
of peace, world is getting into pieces, right?
एक कहावत
Another
है
peace,
कि
another peace,
शांति
another peace.
के
When
जो
we joined United Nations,
नाम पर
there were only about
दुनिया
80
टुकड़ों में
plus countries. Now there is
बट्टे हुए थे, तो
180
तब सिर्फ
plus
80
separate
देश थे,
countries.
और फिर उसके
From
बाद
one
देश ही
country
बढ़ते
it
जा
is
रहे हैं,
10
क्योंकि दुनिया
countries.
बढ़ती जा रही है। एक
So
एक
the
देश में से
same way,
10-10
in the
देश
name
बनते
of
जा रहे हैं,
peace,
तो
we
वो
get into pieces. Same
बढ़ते
thing is
जा रहे हैं,
happening
बढ़ते
in
ही
the
जा रहे हैं।
planets, right? So, but Baba wants us
लेकिन
to
बाबा
reveal
हमको चाहते हैं
our
कि हम
gathering,
अपनी संगठन की शक्ति
that
को
we all are interdependent, but then interdependent because we
सभी
need some kind of
आत्मनिर्भर है।
cooperation for each other. I remember that when Caribbean service began, I was in Trinidad. So we start visiting people we knew. So there was this big man. He has a lot of chain stores in China.
तो जब
So we like to sell
करेबियन
to
का
people.
संगठन हुआ था,
What can I do for you?
तो तब मैंने उनसे
Can I
पूछा था
offer
हम उनके लिए
something
क्या कर
as
सकते हैं,
contribution
हम
to
कुछ
this
सेवा
family
भेजें,
fellowship?
हम कुछ करें। उन्होंने कहा नहीं, हम ठीक
I
है।
said, but everyone needs each other.
लेकिन
So we
हमने कहा
said,
कि देखो
we need
सबको एक
transport
दूसरे की ज़रूरत होती है ना।
because when we go anywhere
तो
to
हमने उनको बोला
for
हमको
service, we don't
थोड़े
have cars.
साधन की ज़रूरत है,
He said,
कुछ
just now
गाड़ी
you
या
said,
कुछ,
we don't
क्योंकि
need
हमारे
anything.
पास कुछ गाड़ी
So you
वगैरह
need
नहीं है एक जगह
something.
से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए।
Because generally when missionaries go
तो
to meet big
क्या
people,
होता है
they
कि जब भी
come out
बड़े
with a
लोगों को
check
मिलने जाते हैं ना,
because they feel they always come for asking for contribution.
तो वो कुछ
And
ना
when we
कुछ
said no,
पैसा
we won't
देते हैं।
take
तो
that.
हमने बोला कि नहीं, हमको
Then
पैसे
he
नहीं
said,
चाहिए।
and then
तो उन्होंने कहा फिर हम
because he
आपकी
was
क्या
well
मदद
known, we said,
करें।
can
तो
we
वो
be in the
बहुत
media and let people know
बहुत
that we
सब
are
लोग
here
उनको
to do
जानते
something
थे। तो
about
मैंने बोला कि
Brahma Kumaris. Okay,
क्या
I
हम
will
कुछ ऐसा
work
कर
only with
सकते हैं
that
कि सब
people
लोग
and
हमारे बारे में
called
सुने
everyone
जाने,
because he was
टेलीविज़न
very
पर
well known.
हमारा नाम आए।
So sometimes we do feel that we
तो
don't
कई
need,
बार हम ऐसे
but we
सोचते
all
हैं
need
कि
each other.
हमको किसी की
And
ज़रूरत
then
नहीं
we
है, लेकिन
think
हमें
of
हम एक
gathering,
दूसरे की ज़रूरत
cooperation
है,
and gathering. So
सहयोग की
Baba says,
ज़रूरत है, संगठन की
reveal
ज़रूरत है।
the
तो
form of
बाबा कह रहे हैं कि
power
आप
of
अपनी
your gathering.
संगठन की शक्ति को प्रत्यक्ष करो।
Reveal that how we work together, right? Bab Dada
प्रत्यक्ष करो हम एक साथ काम
wants
कैसे
every
करते हैं।
child to be seated on the
तो बाप
seat
दादा
of
चाहते हैं कि बाबा का हर बच्चा
a stable
बाबा
and
का हर बच्चा
elevated stage.
एक रस श्रेष्ठ
One stage of
स्थिति के
mind healing
आसनधारी हो।
stage
एक
that
है
is perfect.
मन की स्थिति और एक
So
होती है
before we
सीट
come on the
जहाँ हम
stage,
बैठते
we have
हैं।
to have
पर जब हम
stage
स्टेज
of
पर
mind.
आते हैं तो हमारे मन की स्थिति
So Baba
बहुत
says
एक
that
रस होनी चाहिए। तो बाबा कहते हैं
elevated stage, what
कि
is
ऐसी
that?
श्रेष्ठ स्थिति उसके
To be in
आसनधारी बनो।
solitude,
उसका क्या अर्थ है?
that is with
एकांतवासी
Baba.
बनो, माना
To be
एकांतवासी
bodiless
सिर्फ बाबा के साथ।
and to
अशरीरी
be
बनो
one
और ऐसे बनो
who establish unity.
जो एकता को स्थापित करने वाले हों।
And be with one
और एक नामी बनो
and to be an incarnation of Eknami and economy.
और इकोनॉमी का अवतार बनो।
I understand each other. We understand each other.
एक दो के विचारों को समझो,
Understand ideas of others.
एक दो
And
के
give them
विचारों को
regard.
समझो और सबको
Whatever
सम्मान दो।
people say, yes.
जो भी
We
कोई कुछ
respect
कहे
them.
उसको सम्मान दो।
So Baba says that while
तो बाबा कहते
signal each other also,
एक दो को जब इशारा भी दो
have an exchange amongst
तो
you
लेन देन का
that
आपस
reveal
में
the form
संगठन
of the
की
power
शक्ति
of
का
your
स्वरूप
gathering.
प्रत्यक्ष करो।
Baba said because
तो
the
बाबा कहते
power
क्योंकि
of unity in your
आपके
gathering
संगठन
will
में
be
एकता की
instrumental
शक्ति
in
सारे
bringing
ब्राह्मण
whole
परिवार को
Brahmin family together
संगठन
in a
में
gathering.
लाने की निमित्त बनेगी।
Try that everyone is happy, everyone is satisfied.
तो ऐसे
They
कोशिश
feel
करो
they
कि
are
सब
heard,
खुश रहे, सब
so
सुरक्षित
that
रहें, ऐसे
appreciation
महसूस हो कि
and
हमें
Baba
किसी
said
ने
you
सुना
have
है।
to
तो
reveal that.
बाबा कह रहे कि आपको वो
So
प्रत्यक्ष
many
करना
points
है।
to chant
तो कितने सारे पॉइंट हो
and
गए ना
practice
चिंतन करने के लिए,
so that
अभ्यास
you become
करने
an
के लिए,
instrument
जिससे
which
कि
is
आप
known
निमित्त बन
to
सको,
bring everyone
जिससे कि
family together.
संगठन की
Family
शक्ति
together,
को
make
हम
everyone
प्रत्यक्ष कर
feel
सकें।
that they are part of
तो
the
सबको
family.
ये महसूस हो कि हम
Right. So
परिवार
that's
का
our
हिस्सा हैं।
Om
ब्राह्मण
for
परिवार को संगठन में
24
लाने के
hours.
निमित्त
Om.
बनना है। तो अगले 24 घंटे हम इस पे चिंतन करें।
Om Shanti.
ओम शांति।
Welcome, Sister Luciana. So that's
आज
a
हमारे
great
साथ सिस्टर लूसियाना
opportunity for
है।
us that
तो
all our
हमारे पास ये
instruments are
बहुत
here.
अच्छा मौका
Welcome,
है
Pavitra
क्योंकि
Parivar. We don't get her
सब निमित भाई बहनें हमारे साथ हैं, तो ये हमारा भाग्य है कि हम उनसे बातचीत कर पा रहे हैं व्यक्ति
Thank you,
परिवार में।
Didi. Thank you, Bhumi. It's a pleasure to be here.
शुक्रिया
It's
दीदी,
this
भूमि बहन
beautiful
का भी
gathering of
शुक्रिया,
angels.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ
Just
पर।
introduce yourself little.
I'm Sister Luciana. I've been here. I complete 46.
तो लुसियाना
I
बहन
came
है,
very young to
45
Baba
साल
in
से ज्ञान में है।
Brazil, where I'm
वो बहुत
staying
छोटे
till
थे जब
now,
ज्ञान में आ गए ब्राज़ील
and
में।
have been
45
coming
साल
to
से बाबा
Madhuban
के
every
साथ
year,
हैं।
so I know many of you.
हर साल मधुबन आते हैं, तो कई सभी को जानते हैं ज़्यादातर।
Want to say,
I
something on the topic and then
yeah, I was reading the
तो
signal this morning.
वो कह रहे हैं
And
कि
two
मैं
things
अव्यक्त
caught
इशारा
my
पढ़ रही थी आज
attention.
सुबह, और दो
One
चीज़ें जो
was
मेरे
about
दिमाग में
unity.
आई।
It's a very
एक
deep
तो
topic.
संगठन
As
की बात, जो
we
बाबा
know that
एकता की
Baba
बात
says
करते
that
हैं,
unity is the
और
foundation
बाबा
for
कहते हैं
golden
कि
age,
हाँ,
right?
संगठन ही हमारा
And
आधार
I
बनेगा
thought
नई
that
दुनिया
maybe
के
we
लिए।
can expand a bit about it. One of the ways for us to have
तो एक
this
बात है कि
unity is to
आ,
have
एकता में
complementarity in our specialties.
तो
Because
हमारे
instead
अंदर
of having
जो
jealousy or
विशेषता है
competition,
कि जैसे कि
I
हम
see
दूसरों से
your specialties, what you
कंपटीशन नहीं
can do,
करते, ईर्ष्या
and
नहीं
then
करते,
I
लेकिन
have
हम एक दूसरे
self-respect
की
in what
विशेषता
I
देखते
can do.
हैं,
And
और
so
खुद में भी
instead of
स्वमान रखते हैं कि
fighting,
मैं क्या
we
कर
just
सकती हूँ।
complement
तो हम एक
our
दूसरे की
specialties.
विशेषता
Maybe you
को,
can say
अपनी
something,
विशेषता को
especially in
जैसे
service,
महिमा
especially in the
करते हैं
center.
सेवा
We
में,
need that
सेंटर में।
kind of
तो हमें ऐसा
complementarity.
ही चाहिए कि
I
सबकी अलग
remember
अलग
that
विशेषता
Dadi
हो।
Prakash Pani used to say,
तो
competition,
दीदी
healthy
कह रहे हैं कि
competition is okay,
हाँ, दादी प्रकाश
but
मनी
it
भी
not
कहते
a
थे कि
competition of
आप रेस तो
that I
करो,
should be ahead
पर
of that
रीस नहीं
person.
करो। ऐसे नहीं कि
That is
मुझे
because
इससे
of
आगे निकलना,
jealousy,
उससे आगे
ego,
निकलना, उस
whatever it
भावना
is.
से नहीं।
And you are right when you're saying that
और आप ठीक कह रहे हो कि जब हम
always
कहते हैं
see where I am needed, which virtue is needed, and be cooperative.
और देखो
Because
कि हम मुझे किस गुण
I
की, किस
liked it
शक्ति
that
की समय
when I
ज़रूरत
was
है।
going for
तो मुझे
foreign
बहुत
service,
अच्छा लगा था ये।
Didi Manmohini told me,
तो एक बार दीदी
I want to
मनमोहिनी
see
ने
whole
मुझे कहा
world
था
together.
कि मैं पूरे विश्व को एक
We
साथ
have to
देखना
create that
चाहती हूँ।
unity.
तो
So I
उसके
said,
लिए
okay.
हमें
So
संगठन की
Dadi
शक्ति
Janki
चाहिए
was
ना।
in London
तो
that time.
दादी जानकी तब
So
लंदन
I
में थी,
always feel that all the
और
souls,
मैं हमेशा समझती हूँ
like
कि
Baba,
सब
should be
आत्माएं
connected with the roots. And
जैसे
dadis
कि
are the
हम
roots. So
सब जुड़े
when
हुए हैं
we
ना,
get
और जड़ों
together,
के साथ,
anyone
और
can be
दादियाँ
contact.
जैसे
I
आधार
decided
हैं।
to go to London and meet
तो
Dadi
फिर उस
Janki.
समय मैं
Or
लंदन
meet
गई,
Dadi Janki
दादी
every
से
year
भी मिली,
when we
और
make
दादी तो
travels.
हर साल
So
आती थी।
then we are now, divided into regions.
तो अभी तो
There'll
हम
be
अलग
five
अलग
teams.
रीजन में हैं,
So
अलग
I
अलग।
remember that 6 of us will meet
तो
away
मुझे
from
याद है
Dadi
कि 6 लोग हम लोग मिला
after
करते
Dadi
थे
come and
हमेशा।
go.
तो
And
दादी के बाद
always
हम
Baba
सब
said
आपस में मिलते थे,
that
तो
you all
हमेशा
together, that's the beauty.
बाबा हमको देखते थे
Because
तो कहते
until
थे
now
कि
we
बाप
never
दादा कि आप
argued. Even we
एक
had
साथ आते
different
थे। तो हम
ideas, we
सब
had
के
different
अलग अलग विचार
personalities,
होते हैं, अलग अलग
and
व्यक्तित्व है,
understanding to an extent where you don't only look at the speciality, but we know limits of each other also.
लेकिन हम एक
Their
दूसरे की
weaknesses, that some like solitude, some like people, some want to spend more
विशेषताओं को
time in
समझते
this.
हैं। कई बार होता
Everyone
है ना,
is a
एकांत
variety.
में कैसे हम चिंतन
It's like
करते हैं।
a
तो
bouquet.
अलग अलग जैसे
And
एक
because we are together,
गुलदस्ता होता है ना
I
फूलों
can say
का, ऐसे सबकी
98%
अलग
whole
अलग
world
विशेषता
we
है।
can
ऐसे हम
gather.
बाबा के सामने आते हैं,
And
तो मैं
then we
समझती हूँ
created
कि
this that, London, then there were New
जैसे
York, there was
लंदन,
Hong Kong,
न्यूयॉर्क, और
everywhere,
फिर हर
the
जगह से
countries
बाबा के बच्चे हैं, अलग
also
अलग
have
देशों
that.
से हैं, ब्राज़ील से
So
हैं।
what our
तो
aim always has
हम
been
सबका लक्ष्य क्या
that
है?
everyone feel part of
लक्ष्य
the
यही है
whole
ना,
world.
सब परिवार का हिस्सा
So
अनुभव
I
करें।
always say
तो
that
मैं हमेशा
these
सबको
all
ये
five
कहती हूँ
fingers are
कि
different, right?
पांचों
And
उंगलियां भी
we are
हमेशा
ready.
अलग अलग
Sometimes they
होती है
have
ना,
5.
लेकिन
So हम
पांचों
say
उंगलियों
I'm
की
very
हमें ज़रूरत
important,
है।
so
कई
put
बार
down
जैसे
your
कोई
stamp.
भावना भी आ गई
Then
कि
this finger says
एक को
I'm
लगे कि मैं
important.
उससे ज़्यादा
This
ज़रूरी
one
हूँ।
is
तो हर एक
extra,
अंगुली
and
की
even
बराबर
the 3
ज़रूरत
fingers.
है। हर एक उंगली का
But when
अलग
we are
अलग
together,
काम
it's
है।
one hand.
ये
And
एक
it's
हाथ
the
है, सब
nature.
इकट्ठे हैं,
I'm trying
संगठन
to
में
lift
है।
something with one
तो
hand and it's heavy,
अगर
otherwise
मैं एक हाथ से कोई
so
चीज़
that you
उठाना
can
चाहूँ तो
hold.
मुझे पांचों उंगलियों की ज़रूरत है
Unity
ना,
have
तो
to clap
संगठन की
to put
ज़रूरत है,
together.
ताली भी बजाना है
So
तो
in
हाथ।
nature, whether of human beings or in nature as elements, there is this natural quality of togetherness and cooperation. And I feel that all of us, and then when Baba is saying your gathering will be revealed, because these days in the world, you go for peace conferences, big conferences, there's always power struggle. People look for the seat and positions. But here people ask us that how are leaders selected or elected? Said we don't have elections, but we have selection. How it is done, what is qualification, because there is a very big top person from Sears came for one of the conference here. He came to see me for 10 minutes, spend an hour to
एक
understand how our
कॉन्फ्रेंस में बहुत
work,
बड़ा एक
there's a
मैनेजर था
system,
सीयर्स का, तो वो
how
आए
we
थे
hire
मुझे
people,
10
we
मिनट
don't
के लिए
hire
मिलने
them.
के लिए, लेकिन
We have
1 घंटा
so much
उन्होंने
interest
हमारे
to
साथ
see how
बिताया। तो
everything,
वो देखना चाहते
how,
थे कि
why
हम कैसे
every
करते
department
हैं ये सब,
is so
कैसे सारे
work
डिपार्टमेंट
so
चलते
hard.
हैं।
How do you get volunteers
तो
also?
उन्होंने पूछा
It's our
हमसे
kind
सारा
of.
कुछ कि
So
कैसे
what
आप,
Baba wants
तो
us in the
बाबा
world,
हमसे क्या चाहते हैं कि
even
पूरे
if it's some
विश्व
big
में
companies or
सबको,
anyone,
चाहे कोई कंपनी
they
हो
can
चाहे
appreciate
कैसे,
our
लेकिन वो
gathering
आए और
and they
हमारे
can see
संगठन को
what kind of
देखे और उसकी
dharana,
महिमा कर सके और
what policy
समझे
are inculcating
कि
that our lives and our gathering is so strong, right? So
हमारे संगठन
you
में
can
कितनी
clearly, as
शक्ति
you
है।
said,
जैसे
should
कि
be
आपने कहा
complementary,
कि
even if it's competitive, but
अ,
then in a healthy way.
कि हमें
This week,
रीस
Baba
नहीं
mentioned something
करनी है
about
एक दूसरे से। तो
that
दीदी, इस
envy
हफ्ते
and
किसी ने ऐसे कहा था
jealousy
कि
disturb a lot. Baba
अगर हम
said
किसी से
this
ईर्ष्या करते
relationships.
हैं, घृणा
And
करते हैं, तो
also when we
हमारे
come
संगठन
to know
बहुत
about the
हलचल में आते
scriptures
हैं।
that Baba described very much, like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and all of that, there is this seed of jealousy in all these stories, right? And even Baba mentions that it seems that it's a sanskar more identified with the female, with the sisters. So sometimes we listen that brothers have more difficulty with arrogance and sisters have more difficulty with this kind of
Attachment.
jealousy. So, like, what is the seed of this? Is it lack of self-respect?
Yeah, I think that the story of Ramayana is about jealousy, but story of Bhagavad is about power struggle.
तो
Yeah,
दीदी
but
कह
in
रहे
the
हैं कि
story also,
जो रामायण की कहानी
how
है वो ईर्ष्या के बारे में
they
है, और
do
जो
this
भागवत की कहानी है वो
Draupadi and
अ,
so on. There is
शक्ति
that
के बारे में है।
Jealousy
तो
because
कैसे उसमें द्रौपदी और ये सब कहानियां दिखाई हैं, तो दीदी उनका अर्थ बता
now
रहे हैं।
what happens that
तो दीदी कह रहे हैं कि
jealousy,
ईर्ष्या जो होती है,
yeah, it's true. They say no, two women
तो वो
know
कहते
how
हैं ना
they
कि
begin.
दो
Two women
बहनें
very good saying
अगर इकट्ठे नहीं
because
रह सकती
they will
एक
be
घर में,
compare and all.
क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे से
I mean,
खुद को
honestly, I
कंपेयर
I
करती
never
रहती
had
हैं।
kind of that,
तो
sanskar.
तो मेरे अंदर तो कभी
Whatsoever
भी
I
ऐसा
always
कभी
thought
संस्कार नहीं आया
everyone has his
ईर्ष्या
own
का, और मैं
destiny. I
समझती
have
हूँ
my
कि हर एक का
destiny.
अपना
So
भाग्य
if
अपने
you look at
संस्कार
it
है।
for self-respect, but our fortune too. Why I have to compare
तो
that this one has
मुझे
this, why
अपना
can't I
भाग्य
have?
देखना
There's
है,
this
अपनी
kind of self.
क्षमता को देखना है।
I mean, everything is
तो
from body consciousness.
जो भी हम ये
There is
ऐसे
nothing lack of
संस्कार हैं वो देहभान से आते
self-happiness.
हैं और स्वमान की कमी से आते हैं।
As
अगर
much we
स्वमान नहीं है
admire
तब हम ऐसे
others
संकल्प लाते
and
हैं।
as much we
तो
feel
जितना
happy
हम
about
दूसरे की
everyone's
महिमा करते
fortune,
हैं, दूसरे के भाग्य को
I think
समझते
that's where
हैं,
you kind of become equal. And you know what, jealousy, or I always say bringing someone
तो
down
मैं समझती हूँ
to
कि
make
ईर्ष्या
others
करना,
higher.
दूसरे को नीचे
So I
गिराना,
see every
उससे आप
decade
कभी ऊंचे
effort
नहीं उठ सकते।
to put this one down.
एक
I am
दूसरे को
right,
नीचे
you know.
लाना कि मैं
And
ठीक
Baba
हूँ,
used
ये
to
गलत
always
है,
say
ये
that
बहुत ही
daughter,
बुरा
be daughter.
संस्कार है। तो बाबा तो
So
हमको
in
कहते हैं कि
recently
नहीं,
one
आप
situation
सब
like
ऊंचे
so
हो।
this
अभी
person
एक
keep this one is like that.
एक अभी
And
ऐसी
after
स्थिति
some
आई
days,
थी तो
everyone
एक
will
व्यक्ति
listen the
दूसरे के
concept.
बारे में
Other
बोलता
one
रहा कि
always
ओ ये
complain.
ऐसे हैं, ये ऐसे
He
करते
was
हैं,
never
ऐसे
able to
करते हैं।
get more than
तो
what he thought he will by putting other one down. So
तो
that
एक
day he
दूसरे को
came and I
नीचे
said,
गिराकर
you
आगे
have
बढ़ना
to
ये
look
कोई
at him
अच्छा
also
संस्कार नहीं
in
है
a
ना।
higher so
तो
that you are
हमको दूसरे
respect.
को भी ऊंची स्थिति में
That is
देखना
kind
है,
of
आगे बढ़ते
understanding.
हुए देखना है। तो ये बहुत
So you are true that
समझने की बात है
whether
कि
because of ego, whether
अगर
because
कोई
of
अभिमान
jealousy,
है,
we
ईर्ष्या
put
है,
anyone down,
तो हम किसी को
and
नीचे नहीं
try to
गिरा सकते
say
किसी भी
that I
तरह
am
से,
better, I am
ये
doing
कहने
this,
के
I
लिए
am
कि
doing
ओ
that.
मैं उनसे अच्छा
Doesn't
हूँ, मैं
bring
ज़्यादा
benefit.
अच्छा कर सकता हूँ, वो हमको ऊंचा
So
नहीं उठाएगा
I
कभी भी
would
ये
say,
संस्कार।
of course,
तो
brothers are
जो
everywhere
भाई
there
होते
is
हैं,
jealousy, but
तो मैं नहीं
some
समझती कि उनमें ईर्ष्या
compassion
नहीं
and
होती,
that
लेकिन
makes
हाँ एक दूसरे
you
से
are
आगे बढ़ने
joy.
की रेस तो रहती ही है।
Good sanskars
तो
all have
अलग
at
अलग
least brothers
संस्कार,
and
हर एक
sisters.
में अलग अलग तरह
And
के
we have
संस्कार
to, as
होते हैं।
Baba said,
और जैसे
you
बाबा
know,
भी कहते हैं ना,
Prakash Bhai used to say,
दादी
you have to
प्रकाश
be
मणि
humble
हमेशा
and you
हमको
have
कहा
to be
करती थी कि
respectful, and
सबको
so
सम्मान
that
दो,
your
सबसे
construction,
सम्मान से रहो,
because
निर्माण
this
करो,
jealousy
निर्माणता से
and
रहो। तो
ego both are
जो
very destructive.
ईर्ष्या और अभिमान
If
दोनों
you
हमको
really
तंग
destroy
करते
your
हैं।
fortune,
तो जैसे हम अपने
your
भाग्य
family,
को
the gathering,
खराब कर रहे
everything.
हैं, परिवार को देखना
Yes, Daddy
है।
Prakash Mani always used to
तो
tell us
हाँ,
the
दादी
example
प्रकाश
of
मणि
jalebi.
हमेशा ये
I told you
उदाहरण दिया
jalebi.
करती थी कि
He used to
जलेबी
say
जैसे
that
होती है ना,
the jalebi, you have to prepare the dough, then you
तो
have to put it
जलेबी कैसे
24
बनाना
hours
होता है,
for
तो
it to
आपको जैसे
mature.
पहले
Then you have
एक
to fry
उसका
in
बैटर
very
बनाना है,
hot
फिर उसको
oil. Then
24
you have
घंटे
to
रखना
soak
है,
in the
फिर उसको
syrup,
फ्राई करना
and
है,
then you
फिर
have to
उसको घी में
squeeze for
डुबाना
the
है,
excess of
फिर
syrup
उसको
to go
बनाता।
out. And she used to say, if you want to be sweet and
तो
nice,
अगर
you have
आपको
to go
मीठा
through
बनना है
frying
तो आपको
and squeezing and
पहले ये सब चीज़ों
squeezing,
से गुजरना
so it's
पड़ेगा,
like
तलना
bow, bow,
पड़ेगा,
bow. The another
निचोड़ना
aspect of
पड़ेगा।
the Avyak signals
तो
of today, you have been mentioning
तो
this
आप जैसे
now
अव्यक्त
in
इशारा है
Shantivan.
जो आज का,
In the
तो
teacher's meeting, you mentioned it
शांतिवन
yesterday
में भी आपने बोला
about
कल कि
solitude.
एकांत के बारे
Because
में।
you know
तो
there is this
एकांत,
tendency of some
क्योंकि
to
कईयों को आदत
retract,
होती
to
है
come out
कि
from the community, to come out of the group. Is it because they are not willing to face their sanskars? Is it because a little tendency of depression? Is it because, they feel suffocated amongst many people? And now a kind of fashion of silent retreats, which is good. I myself have been in one or twice silence retreat. But how to balance this solitude, which is necessary, but also the importance of being in the community, not withdraw yourself.
Yeah, sometimes they mistake and see solitude is not to separate yourself and just shut yourself in a room or not come out. But solitude in Hindi really means you and Baba, I and Baba. Going in the end of Baba means Baba is ocean, so I go into the bottom of the ocean. That is ekant, no solitude. Ekant means finding the end of one, going in the depths of one. Baba as the ocean. But so I think it's when I go for my monthly clinic checkup, so they have a social worker. One of the column is, do you still enjoy socialization? Because they feel that if you are any treatment, you are going little bit like depression, then you don't want to see people, you don't want to face public, and they don't like that, and they kind of tell, keep to regular activity, go out, be with people. Then they feel that you are doing well. Otherwise, they feel that disease is affecting your mind somewhere and your social activity is reducing. Because in USA, they are very particular about certain things. Must be everywhere, but they have a form where you have to fill so many things. Are you still enjoying your food? Are you still enjoying this? Because they feel that if disease hasn't affected you, that means you are mentally very well and you still like to do things which,
To feel alive, no?
yeah.
To have some kind of pleasure in life.
I will definitely, I have never done silence retreat. I asked Dadi Janki, she said, I don't believe in this too. Because, you know, I feel that silence is, as I explained yesterday, is integrated within your activity, integrated with balance between silence and sound. Like this time, one sister who went last year, she said, Sister Mohini, they ask you to surrender telephone, computer. And she is the person who had to be on computer for Baba's service in certain reason. So she said, can I still keep my computer? I said, see, you have a freedom. You can tell them. Telephone, you can, but I want to keep computer. They won't force you. That means there were some who were feeling that they still want to be little bit in action. So I said, I don't see any problem. So what I'm saying that they want to do solitude. I think there is one reason they don't get time when they're at center. So they say, I want time for myself. So this way, at least 5 days, I have nothing to do, no activity of that kind. And secondly, I think also somewhere they want to go deep in the self. I don't think majority I know from our region when they go, they really want to work on themselves, check themselves, which it could be good, right? But hide yourself, and I don't think that, I don't know, majority of people this time, about 50 of them were there. And I know many who went last time and now again, before coming here, they all went for 5 days. And I asked them, and they felt kind of internally free, you know, that they don't have to get involved in things and so. But there might be some who want to just be alone.
Yeah, so to conclude what you have just shared, if the experience from silence comes once in a while so that you can go deep into yourself and maybe merge inside of the library of your life and to understand yourself, that it's fine. But if in your day-to-day life you try to withdraw from the family or the community, or just stay like inside of your house and don't speak much with people and so on, that could be a sign of something that you have unresolved in your mind, some depression or some even difficulty to relate to people. So what do you advise for these people? Should they force themselves to be into the community?
I think that some people hold things in their heart from the past or from someone. So I would suggest them to come out and relate to it. Maybe you cannot be in gathering, but at least whatever is in your heart, you should communicate it with one person. Or so when you communicate, you will be lighter. And when you are lighter, you will be able to be out and you will be able to get along with everyone. So I think this heaviness inside, I generally don't use word depression because a bit heavier, but I feel there is heaviness. And that is why Baba keeps saying double light, double light, double. So why he says this heaviness inside doesn't allow you to speak clearly or discern, and some or other you can't face people because of this inner heaviness. That's why I said when we renounce so much, then why to hold anything? Renounce that. If you need to communicate, communicate properly. You know, sometimes we cannot merge, but at least you can communicate. Everyone doesn't have capacity to merge, right? But I always say, tell, speak. And that is why laughing and talking and all that is very, very important. To express yourself and communicate, is very important.
Yeah,
Okay.
do I have time for one more question or not? Yeah. Didi, also in the Avyakt signal, it says a very important thing, which has been one of the main problems nowadays in the world, which is about concentration. There is a very important thinker. His name is Daniel Goleman. He is the person who created this terminology, emotional intelligence. And he says that the biggest problem that we have nowadays is lack of concentration. People have so much a scattered mind, and it became a disease in the world. So what is the reason for that? People not paying attention on themselves, too much computer and cell phone, too much social media, not going deep into understanding what is going on inside of themselves. How people, even the case, we have many cases of the case, how we reached to this point of lack of concentration.
The big research had been done. What is the duration of concentration? Generally, they say maximum 2.5 minutes. So that is why when they create ads or something on me, they have to keep it very short, because people say even if about 3 minutes, they will be diverted. No, that means it's very little percentage of concentration. So I think that is why meditation is becoming very popular, because a lot of people, I think you must have heard a meditation, which we call it, it was Me Too or something like
Mindfulness.
that. Huh?
Mindfulness.
Mindfulness. Now, what mindfulness was, because his guru was very sick and someone interviewed him, and what they're saying it, be at the present. Because it's the past, it's the future. So some people really can't get rid of past from the mind. And some always think about tomorrow, next year, even name of planning, but also their mind is. So if you make your mind what is at present, just be happy with present, deal with whatever is present. So going into past, present, get their mind very scattered. So that is why Baba says, past is past. Future is according to drama. So why you are plan everything, but then say whatever is in drama and be happy with that. You do your best, but then whatever happened, don't keep kind of, worry about that or blame anyone. Okay, now is past. I always say, what is next now? Like Baba says, no? Baba always say, what is next? So same should be our attitude in life, which will help you to concentrate and be at present, good, accurate, but also happy. Okay.
Yeah,
Very
thank
good,
you.
very good. मुरली में जाना.
Om Shanti. Thank you so much, Luciana Ben and Didi. It was a wonderful chit chat. And before I go through schedule for tomorrow, we have one more jewel with us, Madhavanivasi, Brother Ram Chandraji, and he went to Kumbh Mela, he went to Ayodhya, and third one, Ayodhya, Kumbh Mela, and Banaras. So Didi wants him to share 5 minutes his experience being these 3 places. So we'll just give him 5 minutes. He can share about his experience, and then we'll remember Baba. So the schedule for tomorrow is morning Amritwala 3:30 a.m. to 4:45 a.m. Then in the evening, with the children Murli class 5 to 5:15 p.m. And then 6 o'clock Bhatti will start, followed by Hindi series, English series. So now let's remember, let's listen to Ramchandra Bhaiji, and then we'll remember Baba. So he will speak in Hindi. So get translation. Select the English language to get the translation.